toy. Go get a toy, monkey. Go get a toy. What? I think you found something. What is that? Out of the variety of toys he could have got me, he got a dirty sock. Good one, Frankie. Good one. Like, look, there's a ball over there. He brought me this frickin' dirty sock. There's a ball. There's like his squeaky toy there. Go get it. He just doesn't get it. Go get it. Go get it. Go get it. What a retard. I just love when you have that dirty sock in your mouth. The best. It's just the best ever. Hey Frankie, say goodbye. You gonna say goodbye? Frankie sends his love with a dirty sock. What a lovely dog. Bye Frankie. Bye Frankie.